Ready to unlock the potential of ChatGPT and start earning money? This video is your ultimate guide to making profit with ChatGPT. Discover the secrets behind leveraging this powerful AI tool to create engaging, personalized conversations that generate revenue. Whether you're a business owner, freelancer, or aspiring entrepreneur, this step-by-step tutorial will teach you how to harness the power of ChatGPT and turn it into a lucrative income stream. Don't miss out on this opportunity to revolutionize your earnings. Watch now. 1. Answer questions on platforms that utilize ChatGPT. Many websites, forums, and platforms pay users to provide accurate and helpful answers to various questions using ChatGPT. By participating actively, you can earn money per answer or based on your overall performance. 2. Content creation. ChatGPT can generate text for blogs, social media posts, product descriptions, and more. You can offer your services as a content creator and charge clients for generating content using ChatGPT. 3. Virtual assistants. ChatGPT can assist with tasks like scheduling appointments, answering customer queries, and providing general information. You can offer virtual assistant services and charge clients for handling their administrative tasks using ChatGPT. 4. Language translation and tutoring. If you are fluent in multiple languages, you can use ChatGPT to assist with translation services or offer tutoring in various subjects. You can charge clients for translation or tutoring sessions conducted via ChatGPT. 5. Chatbot development. With knowledge of how ChatGPT works, you can develop and train custom chatbots for businesses. You can charge clients for building, training, and maintaining chatbots that utilize ChatGPT for customer support or other purposes. 6. Content editing and proofreading. ChatGPT can help in generating initial drafts of content, and you can offer editing and proofreading services to ensure the final text is refined and error-free. Clients may pay for your expertise in finalizing the ChatGPT-generated content. 7. Writing reviews and summaries. Businesses might need reviews or summaries of books, articles, or research papers. You can use ChatGPT to generate these reviews or summaries and earn by providing valuable insights and concise information. 8. Social media management. ChatGPT can aid in generating engaging social media posts. You can offer social media management services to clients and use ChatGPT to automate content creation for their social media platforms. 9. Online customer support. Many companies require live chat support on their websites. You can work as an online customer support representative and utilize ChatGPT to provide instant responses and assistance to customers. 10. ChatGPT-based applications. Develop and monetize applications that leverage ChatGPT's capabilities. For example, you can create a chat-based game or a language learning app that offers conversational practice with ChatGPT.